Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and today is Friday, October 19th of 2018. It is the end of the week. I know a lot of you might be doing some things such as tests and assessments today, so I hope you do your best and you try your best efforts for academic achievement in our pause today. Alright, for October birthdays, we have some October birthdays to announce. We have Tiffany Griffin and Megan Savitsky. Both of their birthdays were yesterday, so I want to give them a special birthday announcement today. We have a couple of birthdays happening over the weekend, so Lainey Haynes and Ava Hart. Happy birthday to both of you too. So celebrate your birthdays this weekend, and I hope you have a great time. Today we have bus evacuation drills that will be happening, so your teacher will be helping you out with that. They'll be happening this morning. For our lunch choices, we have turkey melt, cheese pizza, and American sub. And for our pause today, still focusing on bullying, we have some kindergarten students here to talk about things about what you should not do to make sure that you're not bullying somebody. Alright, boys and girls, it's time to go through our things for our pause for things about what you shouldn't be doing to bully people. So kindergarten has a lot of examples about things that you should not be bullying people.
No punching people in the face. No hitting people. No hurting people. No kicking people in the face.
Alright, those are all good things. So we'll make sure we keep our hands and our feet to ourselves at all times. Thank you, boys and girls. I appreciate that very much. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please stand, have your hand over your heart. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, boys and girls. Thank you very much for helping out with the pledge today. Alright, Friday, boys and girls. Let's do our best today. Let's make sure we're in our best behavior. We're trying our best on the assessments or tests that we might be taking today. So we have a weekend coming up. Let's not forget about today, though, and let's do our best. The choices are yours, so let's make it a good one.